For 20 years, just Google it was the default. You had a question, you typed it, you clicked a few links, and you stitched the answer together yourself. But right now, a lot of people are changing that habit. They're not searching less, they're searching differently. They're asking AI. Here's the simplest reason. Google gives you links. AI gives you an answer. Most people don't want 10 pages anymore. They want a conclusion. They're asking, what should I do? Like, which laptop should I buy under $1,000? Why is my Wi-Fi dropping? Give me a simple plan to learn this skill. Google can help, but it makes you work. Open tabs, compare sources, fight SEO fluff. AI skips the friction. It summarizes, compares, and gives you a clean plan in seconds. Search is also becoming a conversation. With Google, you keep rewriting keywords. Best camera, low light, under $800 for YouTube. With AI, you just talk normally. I need a YouTube camera under $800, great in low light, and I hate complicated menus. Then you follow up. Compare the top two. Make me a checklist. Include used options. It feels human. Fewer clicks, less effort. And AI wins hardest when the problem has steps. If you need a simple fact, Google is still great. But if you need a process, explanations, comparisons, a plan, AI does the glue work. Summarize, explain, simplify, and organize. Plus, Google is moving in the same direction anyway. Search is shifting from blue links to answer-first results everywhere. But AI search isn't perfect. It has three big weaknesses: trust, freshness, and verification. AI can sound confident and still be wrong. For breaking news, live events, and local updates, classic search often wins. And when you need receipts, sources, dates, edge cases, Google is still stronger. So the future isn't AI replaces Google, it's AI plus Google. Here's the cheat code. Start with AI to get the map, key terms, options, and a simple explanation. Then use Google to verify. Check dates and sources. Then go back to AI to synthesize. Here are three links. What do they agree on and where do they disagree? Bottom line, people are switching because AI search feels like the internet finally speaks human. It's faster, more conversational, and better for multi-step problems. But Google still wins on freshness, depth, and source control. The real story isn't Google is dead. It's this: search is becoming a conversation, links are becoming proof, and the next internet is built around answers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.